Let us see about MS Word. MS Word is a word processing software package. User can type letters, reports and other documents by using MS Word. The four main operations for the MS Word processing package are: the first one is defining the form of the document. Second is entering a document from a keyboard. Third is editing or modifying the document. And fourth, if the user needs to print, so hence printing the document. Here is the components of MS Word. If you look from the top, there are standard toolbars where the toolbars are very specific. And to format, so the formatting toolbars will be there, like the bold, italic, underline characters. Likewise, if the font size can be adjusted by using the formatting toolbars. There will be a cursor which will bring, and also there are scroll bars to left or right or above and below. And also there is the word choices, the drawing toolbars for the specific drawing purpose, and also the status bar. Coming to features of MS Word. Creating the document like spelling checker, grammar checker, thesaurus and autocorrect options will be there. Editing and formatting the document. In this, the process to change the appearance of a document is called the document formatting, where user can format a single character, word, lines, paragraphs or whole document. The document is formatted to make it more attractive and beautiful. The commands used to format the document are selected from the Home tab. Creating tables. Microsoft Word provides a tool called Table. It is used to organize information of a rows and columns. A table is made of series of rows and columns. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. The next feature is graphics, and also it contains the other features like word art, printing document and etc. Coming to what is MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet application that is developed by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X and iOS. MS Excel is mainly used for calculations and mathematical works. It is a spreadsheet application in which we can add sheets as per our requirements. In a single sheet, it consists of rows and columns and cells where every cell has different address. The sum, product, subtraction, division and many mathematical logical functions are available within it. Other features like tables, charts, clip arts or more can be present in this software. It is basically used for payroll, accounts, mathematical and for other business purposes. Use conditional formatting. The Excel users can format their spreadsheets using different colors, bold and italics to differentiate between columns and bring the most important data to the fore. Help identify trends. Excel allows trend lines to be extended beyond the graph to offer predictions of future activity, and such forecasts can help businesses develop their future strategy. Bring data together. Excel can be used to bring information from various files and documents together so that it exists in a single location, as well as raw data and information from other spreadsheets. It is possible to import text and images. Other objects can be added using the Insert tab, or additional spreadsheets can be added to the file. Visualization can be added extra emphasis to business reports and pursue marketing materials. These are the components of MS Excel. It contains name box, office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, work area where the cells will be present, column letters, formula bar, tab list and the ribbon. And also it contains the sheet tab scroll buttons, row numbers, status bar, active cell, the page view button, and page zoom control. Coming to what are the features present in MS Excel. MS Excel contains hyperlink, that is user can link one file to another file or page. Clip art, the user can add images and also audio and video clips. Charts, with charts, user can clearly show a product evaluation to a client. For example, user can display a chart showing which product is selling more or less by month, week, and so forth. Next feature is tables. Tables are creating with different fields, example name, age, address, roll number, and so forth. User can add a table to fill these values. Functions. There are both mathematical functions like add, subtract, divide, multiply, and logical ones, average, sum, mod, product, etc. Images. User can incorporate images and backgrounds. Macros are used for recording event for future use. Database. With the data feature, user can add any database from other sources to it. Sorting and filtering. User can sort and filter the data so that anything redundant or repetitive can be removed more easily. Data validation. This tool can help users consolidate the data. Grouping. The grouping features help user both to group the data and ungroup it so that user have subtotals and so forth. Page logout. Themes, colors, sheets, margins, size, background, breaks, print, titles, sheets, height, width, scaling, grid, heading, views, bring to front or back alignment, and many more are available for user to lay out user's page. This is how the graphs can be drawn by using Excel. By using the data, we can draw the graphs either as a bar graph or a line graph or a pie graph and so on. Coming to MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives user everything that he needs to produce a professional looking presentation. PowerPoint is computer software created by Microsoft which allows the user to create slides with recordings, narrations, transitions, and other features in order to present information. PowerPoint is a very useful tool for creating quality vector diagrams and icons. While it may lack the finish of an industry grade tool like Adobe Illustrator, it does not come with its steep learning curve or price tag either. PowerPoint gives you a full complement of illustration tools like shapes. These can be combined, merged, subtracted, grouped, ordered, and formatted into interesting graphics like custom icons, vector backgrounds, vector animations, and 3D charts, etc. Coming to the features of MS PowerPoint. The MS PowerPoint has several features like creation of animation, producing the auto shapes, editing presentations, spell checking in presentation, hiding and unhiding of slides, running presentation. Even the presentation which now has been created is being done by using the PowerPoint. Slide transitions, saving presentations, printing presentations, video making, and some of the PowerPoint presentation which has been created can also convert to PDF for the further use. This is how the PowerPoint presentation looks. It contains several slides, so hence each slide can be added or deleted. There are editing tools above. Apart from MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint, MS Access is also one of the packages which is present in MS Office. MS Access is a tool which used for create database and it is also a application software. So there are several features of MS Access. So these are the features: database, records, field, table, form, report, and primary. These are the references used for the presentation. Thank you.